Hello and welcome back to another episode of Collectors Club, and today we've got three NSXs: the NSX Type R Premium number 21, the NSX-r number 81, the original Tommy, and the brand new Honda NSX number 43. And today on the show we're going to unbox all three. Check it out. Alright, well, before I unbox, I just want to point out that all of these three cars are still fresh and have never been unboxed. I've never unboxed either one of these units, okay? Never been unboxed. So this is going to be a first live here on the channel. So let's unbox. And like magic, they've been unboxed, fresh out of the plastic. Alright, now, so we've got all three NSXs. So starting with this one, which is the original NSX from 2002. And this one is the premium NSX. I'm just going to check what year this was. So this was 2016. I just had a look there. So yeah, from 2016. And then this one is the more modern NSX, which recently came out. And this is also 2016. You can see that. Yeah, so NSX really is a supercar to rival that of McLaren or Ferrari, Lamborghini, for example. It is awesome, absolutely awesome. They're not an easy car to get a hold of. They are special, they are rare. They've only made so many of the NSXs, which makes it special. The two on the left and right, okay, which are the two newer ones, are both made, the Tomicas are made in 2016, whereas the one in the middle was made in 2002. And you can tell the difference because of the boxes. Obviously, the middle box does look a bit older, but not just that, it's got the Tommy logo, whereas the other boxes have the Takara Tommy logos, which means that they are actually newer. So here you can see the three cars from the back. I just love, actually, the two modern ones. Obviously, the one in the middle did cost me probably about triple of what the other cars cost me because, it's a collector's item. But you can see, you don't need to spend a lot of money. Actually, the premium and even the standard white boxes do look amazing. The cars, the quality of build is phenomenal. Now, I know everyone's chasing and wanting to get, the Japanese made in Japan because they're collector's items. But really, I mean, look at these. They look fantastic. These are great little cars to have and comes highly recommended. If you're going to collect something, why not collect a Japanese supercar, being the NSX? So yeah, I really like these three. Let's put them up in the circular rotating garage and let's inspect them further so you can have a really good look and just see how magnificent these pieces really are. There we have it, guys. Three amazing supercars. The NSX Type R. Honda Power. Alrighty, well it's time for me to park these up in the garage. And thank you so much for watching. This has been Peter from the Collectors Club. I'd really appreciate it if you can please share, like, and or subscribe. Cheers. Bye for now.